Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel, RP Guru Tech Talk. This is Renu Prasad. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to watch more fun videos and also get updated when new videos are uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much. There's a website called Canva.com where for free you can create a lot of things. So today I'm going to create a greeting card for the new year 2023. In the main page, you can search for New Year greetings. Click on the templates tab, make sure you're in that when you search for it. Or when you click on the New Year greetings, it will list out all the greeting templates that are there. And if you see, there are some ones with pro on it, which has a crown, those are actually subscription based templates, so you cannot use them. I found this one which is for free. So I'm going to customize this for my new greeting card. So I click on customize the template, and then it shows me what is exactly there right now. Maybe I don't want to use some of it which is there. So or I want to move it around. So I'm moving things around. I'm moving the wordings around. So you can drag and move, or you can even delete the wordings if you don't like what is there. And then click on text on the left side and pick up the font combinations you want. So let me try this. I'm going to remove the one which is already there. I'm going to put the sparkle font and see if that helps me. So if you see, even in the wordings, there are some pro related fonts, but you cannot use them for free. So I'm using the ones which are free. So I'm clicked on sparkle, and it doesn't look great, but let's see. Let me try different things. So I'm repositioning the template and typing in the wordings I want. So then I can resize the that block to make sure it fits in the right position of the greeting card. So you can play around like this. You can, if you see on the top, you can change the size and everything. Even you don't have to drag and drop. You can actually update the size on the top. It says moon time 102. But I didn't like that sparkle, so I'm going to remove that and use a different font combination. So this looks bold, and for the light greeting card background, I feel this is better. So I'm going to play around with this and change the wordings and everything. So you can see that you can do anything on this template. It doesn't force you to use what was there before. And also I found this inspiring New Year greeting wordings. So I'm going to use that for my greeting card. So as I've done for the other ones, I'm going to play around with the sizing of it and placing the information on the right part of the New Year greeting template. So you got the point. So I'll come back to show you what I finally created. So this is what is my final greeting card. I put all the things together, and I took from my previous greeting the font for my name. So I'm all set here. So then I click on share and download, and then take JPEG as the option and say download. So now if you see, this is my new beautiful greeting card for 2023. I hope this helps you. Talk to you soon. Thank you.